That's how you eat panayam.
I'm sick, sir. On this, sir. Unpredictable moves. I'm on a.
You guys need water. Am I doing it well? This is so sweet. But what
Put strength now.
which strength I won't put back like this? What do they do you? You think they pay waste to? See this girl, somebody put strength. This strength, not this.
The thing will move like move cover the mouth. So you, yes. Did you see? Okay.
Okay, I'm putting strength.
2 hours later.
So people, today we are making benessed soup. That is benessed over there. It is a little like egusi, but it's smaller than egusi, but almost the same method when you're making egusi. So this is me making benessed soup.
So people, our benessed soup is almost ready. Right here we have the chicken, the bush meat, and dried fish. So this is the benessed. We already rubber the benessed. So basically, you can still be rolling it one by one.
Yeah.
But right now, your girl got no time for that, man. After this, I'm cooking stew, I'm cooking pepper soup, I'm doing pepper chicken. Only me, this small me. So after putting the benessed, you just cover it for like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And open it before you put your leaf and your pawpaw.
Yes.
Put the pawpaw leaf already. Like the soup is running. And the soup is thick, so we have to add a little water. This is benessed soup, already in Hausa. The soup is thick, so add a little water. So our soup is ready, and this is the hot leaf. This is hot leaf of 200 naira. I'm using for. In my village, either you use hot leaf or you use afang leaf, known as ifini, aka ifini. Whatever that means, I don't know what I'm saying. So when you put the leaf, you allow it to steam for, let's say, 2 minutes. Because when you bring it down, it will still be hot. You allow it to steam for 2 minutes. Then you tear it around and bring it down. So that is all for my cooking, guys. Guys, our soup, benessed soup is ready. So now it's to stir around. Wow, what a wow! see the 200 naira leaf. So it's not even looking like it. Right? People are saying it's going to be too much. It's not too much, guys. Yeah, please just come and look at the soup. Oh my God, look at the chicken head.
12 seconds later.
This life I can't keep myself. Can't keep myself. Oh. I'm not keeping myself, my people. Last. So this is the benessed soup. That's how you eat panayam.
Okay, people, that is all for this village. Right now, I'm in Cross River State, Yala local government to be precise. And this is me having all the fun in the village. I came to see my dad. My dad is having an event, so we just came to support him, to show him love. Thanks for watching.